Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. As today we have started the reinforcement, the chapter that we have started is unit number 7, water, weather, and wind. The pages that we will read today is page number 46 and 47. From page number 46, you will learn about or revise about uses of water. We use water for drinking, we use water for washing clothes, and we use water to take shower. Almost in our life we are dependent on water. Here is a video of the uses
of water. Water and its uses. All the living things need water to survive, to live and grow. In this video, we are going to be looking at the various uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, brushing teeth, washing utensils, washing hands, washing vehicles, and swimming. Apart from the domestic purpose, water is being used for farming and industrial purpose as well. Animals also need water to live. Plants need water to grow and survive. Water is a precious natural resource. We should not waste water. Saving water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Take shorter bath. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water. Turn off the tap after each use.
These are also the uses of water: drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bath, cooking, and watering plants. Almost in our daily life we use water. Moving next, this is a question that you have to write down in your notebook, which we have already done. List some uses of water. We use water for drinking, we use water to wash our clothes, we use water to have fun, we use water to take shower. As you know that we have started the reinforcement, so first of all you will make a folder of reinforcement and then you will do this work. This is the worksheet which is already pasted in your notebook and we have done this previously. You will also revise this worksheet. Dash is very important. Without water there would be no life on dash. We dash water help us. Why we use it to dash our bodies, and dash we also have fun with dash. Swim and dash in water also help us to ride in dash, and the answers are written on the left side. Moving next, here are the uses of wind. We know that wind is also very important. Moving next, here are the uses of wind. As water is important, same goes with the wind. Wind is also very important for us. We use wind for flying kite, for dry our clothes. This is the question that you have done in your notebook. You will again write it down after making a folder of revision. I am telling you again and again, you have to make a folder of revision and then you will write these two question answers and you will write the answers by yourself.